Alright, let's check out MIR protocol. So I haven't checked out this coin before. I checked out the market cap, and from what I can see, it's around about 150 million. So it does have a dirt cheap market cap. I do think when it moves up, it's going to move up very fast, and when it moves down, it's going to move down very fast. If we start off with the macro fib from the all-time high to the current low, you can see we're not even close to the 236. So from a very basic perspective on the macro time frame, we're nowhere near bullish. We are in a fat downtrend. I don't think anyone is even going to try and argue that we're not in a downtrend, or we do look bullish, because we do look fairly bearish in the short term. So from a macro perspective, you can see we've got an all-time high here, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and let's see, are these volume candles or are these lower highs? So no, this is that was just the volume candle. You can see this is a lower high from here, and this is a lower high from here. So basically, if we do top out now, we are still on a lower high. I would be paying more attention to these macro big accentuated highs like here and here and here. So on a very short term basis, if we do manage to break above this micro high at 410, which is literally a 2x from now, so I mean it is very, very far to go. And the problem with us breaking above this, which is a 2x move, look at the RSI already. We basically went from 0 to 100. I mean, we've gone from 17, double top so far at 66. So in my opinion, it doesn't look good. The only thing that looked remotely good was these big green volumes coming in, but now we have a fat red candle, which is kind of making me think that we are going to be somewhat close to topping out. Now the money flow indicator has also, it looks like it's topped out to me. So if we haven't topped out at this very moment, I don't see it going above 85, which is only like a 15 point increase on the MFI. That could move us up to the 200-day moving average, something like this, and that would approximately put us another 25%. So I think another 25%, especially in this very, very short-term uptrend, would push the money flow indicator to the tops that we've had around here, and it would push the money flow indicator to the tops that we've had around here that we've never managed to get above. So most coins, most tokens, most cryptos always top out when we break above the RSI on the 70, and they always top when we break above the money flow indicator on the 80. So in the short term, is it possible for us to have like another quick spike up, something like this? Yeah, it's 100% possible. We could move up 20%, 50%, etc. But from my own opinion, I don't hold this this coin, and I do think the risk-adjusted returns are a little bit too steep, because we've already gone on this massive rally. Personally, I would not be buying this at all now. If I was going to buy this, which I'm not, I would need to see the MFI and the RSI reset. But yeah, I mean, we're really teetering on the brink of death for this coin. You can see if we did come back down, if we did break below $1, then let's see where we've got. We've got another drop down to 55, which is basically, wow, 94% drop, and then anything lower than that is basically zero. So in my opinion, we've moved up way too fast, way too quick. We didn't really have time for volume to come in. It does seem like it was probably just a couple of whales buying, as we do have these massive spikes in the volume. But yeah, I mean, like I said, a little bit more conservative now from the breakdown, a 90% drop. So I'm not saying that's going to happen. I do think though that we are at least going to come down, back test the 150. If we don't hold that, I think we're going to be coming down, breaking below the $1 level, and coming down to make new lows. So all in all, no matter which way you chop this, I am bearish on this. The only way I'd be able to become remotely bullish on this is if we manage to break all above here and then kind of chill around here, and that would hopefully mean something like this, and let the RSI and the money flow indicator cool off for a while, backtest this, and then start having a push up. This would really be the only situation where I could even be remotely confident in the mid to short term price on MIR protocol. If we do something like that, so be it. It might be a nice setup for a long, but like I said, for me personally, the risk adjusted returns of entering this are not really worth it for me. I do think we've topped out. Specifically, I'm not saying I think we've topped out right now, but I think we could have another push up to potentially 250, which is what, like we said, a 25% move, and then I would be really estimating that would be the top. especially if Bitcoin keeps coming down. I mean, if Bitcoin dumps a little bit more, if the total crypto market cap dumps a bit more, I think MIR is really, really going to landslide and have a strong, or have a really harsh time, you know, making it back to these previous levels. So that is pretty much all I see for MIR protocol. Once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.